Chapter 6, X Ads Demystified, Paid Campaigns for Maximum Impact. Paid advertising on X offers businesses a powerful way to reach targeted audiences and amplify their message. Unlike organic content, X ads let you control who sees your message, making them an essential tool for boosting brand awareness, driving traffic, and increasing conversions. This chapter explores the key elements of X ads and strategies to optimize their performance. The advantages of X ads. X ads complement organic efforts with precise targeting, reach specific demographics based on interests, location, and behavior. Increased visibility, gain exposure beyond your current followers. Custom objectives, tailor campaigns for website visits, app installs, or video views. Real-time engagement, monitor performance and adjust campaigns instantly. Types of X ad campaigns. X offers several ad formats to suit various goals. Promoted tweets, boost individual tweets to appear in feeds and search results. Follower campaigns, grow your audience by encouraging users to follow your account. Website clicks campaigns, drive traffic to landing pages. App install campaigns, promote app downloads directly. Video views campaigns, enhance visibility for video content. Steps to launch an X ad campaign. 1. Define objectives. Identify your campaign's goal, such as increasing awareness or driving sales. Objectives guide your ad format and messaging. 2. Target the right audience. Use X's targeting tools to focus on demographics, interests, and behaviors that align with your brand. 3. Create engaging content. Craft concise, visually appealing ads with a clear call to action, CTA. High-quality visuals and copy are essential for capturing attention. 4. Set a budget. Decide on a daily or total campaign budget. Start small and scale up based on results. 5. Monitor and adjust. Use analytics to track impressions, click-through rates, CTR, and conversions. Optimized based on performance data. Optimizing X ads. Enhance your ad effectiveness with these tips. A/B testing, experiment with different headlines, visuals, and CTAs. Retargeting, re-engage users who interacted with your brand but didn't convert. Refresh content, update creatives regularly to avoid ad fatigue. Budgeting and ROI. Allocate your budget strategically by testing first. Start with a modest budget to evaluate campaign potential. Focusing resources, invest in high-performing campaigns and refine underperforming ones. Measuring ROI, track revenue against ad spend to ensure cost effectiveness. Common pitfalls to avoid. Poor targeting, broad targeting reduces ad impact. Ignoring analytics, monitor performance to avoid wasted spending. Low-quality content, ensure visuals and copy reflect your brand's professionalism. X ads enable brands to connect with audiences and achieve measurable results. By setting clear objectives and continuously refining your strategy, you can maximize impact and enhance your marketing efforts.